Okay guys, I have the snap-on flex head, model number FHLFD80A, and I'm going to attempt to change a handle on it. This is my first time doing this. So the handle is pretty beat up. I've used the tar out of this ratchet. It's been a very good ratchet, my favorite one actually. And that's a 3/8 drive. But I've already taken the handle off and got some measurements just to make this video a little easier. But I took a coffee mug here and I heated some water up. And you want to get something that doesn't shatter. So a coffee mug worked good for me. And what I did was I heated the water up, let this soak about 5 minutes. And then I put this handle in a vise. Okay. And then I folded the flex head down so I get some leverage, and I twisted it off, and it came off pretty easy. So now we're gonna have to drill this out. This is a screwdriver handle, and you can see the model number, and it says don't use as a chisel here on it. So I got it upside down. It says not a pry bar, chisel, or punch, which we all use them as that. So but anyway, I'm going to drill this out. This shank is 2.5 inches from here to here. And it's going to be, I got to step it. One drill bit for the small end and a bigger one for the bigger end. And the big end is 11/32. And the small end is a 7/64. And we're going to have to step that, step it in the handle here. And I've already taken the liberty here measuring, and I marked my drill bit. So let's give her a try. I'll try drilling this as straight as I can. And it doesn't take much. So I'm going to go down to my mark. Maybe just a hair past it, just for shits and giggles. Okay, I got that. Now I'm going to step it with the bigger one here. Let's see what we got first here with this end. Yep, that seems like it's going to fit. See, I'm going to heat this up. And when I go get the water for this to heat it up and let it soak, I'll start the video back up. So let's drill for the big part out now. So, and it's going to go up to this mark. So you don't drill all the way down because this is smaller than here, obviously. And you got your two little tongues on it, or whatever you want to call them, to bite in. So I'm going to heat this up to make it malleable, so you can work with it. Okay, now we're going to reverse that. Okay. We better get that drill in there one more time. Okay, I'm going to take our little air blower here and we'll blow it on that. Okay, so now we got her. Let's see what she looks like here. Yeah, that's going to go down in tight on that too, so we should be good. And I'm going to take and heat up some more water. I'm going to let this soak, and when I get ready for it, I'll start the video back up. Okay guys, I'm back, and I got the ratchet and ratchet handle soaking in the hot water. Now I slid the ratchet handle on slightly first to be able to handle it, so I don't have to fish down in hot water and burn my hands and all that. And I don't want you guys to do that either. So it's been soaking about 3 or 4 minutes, and I think that should be enough. I'm going to give her a try here. And here you see, you want your snap-on facing the top of your head here, the flat side of your head. That's where you want your snap-on to line up, but that's where they have it. So let's give her a try here. Okay. Let's give her a try. Okay, and it's pretty hot. I'm going to line it up. It went on really good, actually. So it's lined up nice. Now, again, I want to let you guys know on the size, the small shank part that goes in first is about 1.2 inches long. So that's how I measured for my drill bit lengths to drill down. Now, for the big end, it's about 1.3 inches. And the small end is a 7/64 drill bit, and the big end is 11/32 that I used. Well, guys, thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.